Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. Life is a question, and how we live it is our answer. Life is accepting what is and working from that. The less routine, the more life. Accept life as it is, then work to make it the way you want it to be. The light heart lives long. Life is painting a picture, not doing a sum. Where there is love, there is life. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Life is half spent before we know what it is. The years teach much, the days never know. Life rarely does begin at 40. Up until then, you are just doing research. Parenting is a lifetime assignment. The hardest years in life are those between 10 and 70. I want to live my life, not record it. There is nothing permanent except change. Look for opportunities in every change in your life. The greatest trap in our life is not success, popularity, or power, but self-rejection. Life is a long lesson in humility. Good clothes open all doors. I slept and dreamt that life was joy. I awoke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was joy. I just wish people would realize that anything is possible if you try. Dreams are made possible if you try. You cannot prevent the birds of sorrow from flying over your head, but you can prevent them from building a nest in your hair. Don't waste your time on jealousy. Sometimes you are ahead, sometimes you are behind. To do the useful thing, to say the courageous thing, to contemplate the beautiful thing, that is enough for one man's life. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.